Pennsylvania, Union County in central Pennsylvania, Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 12:04 p.m., the radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1.25 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lancaster, Harrisburg, York, Lebanon, Chambersburg, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Hanover, Bloomsburg, Pottsville, Hershey, Ephrata, Colonial Park, Michaelstown, Elizabethtown, Waynesboro, Berwick, Columbia, Sunbury, and Progress. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The current